Assalamu alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you're all in the best state of health with sound iman. Welcome to IWHAT 88 Kitchen. In today's video, being light, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this delicious rice stew without having to go to the market. The story behind this recipe is this. My sisters are due to visit me and I don't have stew in the freezer. Neither do I have the energy to go to the market. So I decided that I'm going to be cooking the stew with whatever I can find in the freezer and around the house. I'm able to find dry poma and wara kayama, which is African cheese. I first rinse the poma with cold water, then soak it with hot water overnight. Then I move to prepping the wara. Because the wara has been pre-boiled, fried and dry in the oven, I need to soak it overnight as well. I also managed to find some shaki, abodi and nose in the freezer. I think I kept this for a little chef because they want me to teach him how to cook rice stew. That will be in another day, not in today's cooking. Anyway, after doing the cutting, next is to season the proteins. And I'm going to be using 1 medium size of onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger, minced herb, curry and chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon of beef jumbo. Follow it up by adding water and salt, then put to boil. I also managed to find 2 large tongues and they have been cleaned. Next is to cut them into desired sizes and shape. After that, I rinse them again and season with curry, thyme, minced herb and beef jumbo and little bit of onion. While that is going on, I start preparing for the sauce and I'm using 8 medium size of onions as the base. Add the onions to the chopper or blender and chop it. Then set aside while I prep the poma. 1 liter of oil was added to the pan. Once it's hot, add in your chopped onions. Mix well and let it fry for a while. Do you remember this daiko radish? As I mentioned in some of my previous videos that I'm going to be using in my cooking, this new versatile vegetable that I just discovered that is good for inflammation. Anyway, the onions has fried a little bit and I've added about 500 grams of daiko radish. Then I let it continue frying while I prep some pepper and ginger. I'm using 10 scotch bonnet and about 3 medium size of ginger. That's been set aside. During my hunting, I also find some liver and lungs in the freezer. This has been pre-boiled and my sister helped me to cut it into smaller pieces. I add it to the pan and let it fry for like 5 minutes while I prep the pepper and ginger. Then add it to the sauce. Next is to add in some seasoning. I love to mix the seasoning. This will enable the sauce to have unique taste. So I'm using jumbo, chicken and beef. By now, the poma, shaki and abodi has finished boiling. So I'm adding it to the sauce. I also find some cow hair loaves in the freezer. So I'm adding it to it. Try to mix well and continue the cooking. I come across additional honeycomb shaki that has been pre-boiled. So I'm going to be adding that as well. Next, I'm adding in 1 liter of already boiled and fried pepper. Mix well and let it continue cooking. I also find this pepper that has been previously cooked. I think I prepare it for jollof rice, but unfortunately or fortunately I have to use it for the stew. At this point I have to add additional seasoning. By now the tongue has been boiling for a while now. So I'm adding in the wara and let it continue boiling. From the pepper, I find in 2 unblended small ginger. So I blend it with hand blender and add it to the sauce. As you can see, the sauce is looking delicious. What do you think? Mix well and let it continue frying while I grate the tongue. After like 5 to 10 minutes, I'm adding in the wara. Mix well and let it continue frying. By now the tongue has finished grilling, so I'm adding it in. Mix well and let the cooking continue. After like 15 minutes, the heat was turned off. After that, I remember that I haven't had egg. Although I don't have that much, but it is not possible to make atadidin without adding egg. So I had a little I have. Alhamdulillah, like Nimat, the sauce is ready, and my sister they eat and they do have takeaway, and we enjoy ourselves. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and you learn one or two things from it. If you do, kindly follow us, like, comment, and subscribe. With this, we live in the care of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love, IWHAT, and don't forget to keep smiling.